Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on profile status on PayPal. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. PayPal is a widely used secure online payment system that enables individuals and businesses to send, receive, and manage funds globally. User can link bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards to PayPal account to shop online, transfer money, or accept payment without sharing financial details with merchants. So on my previous video, I have shown you how to use the PayPal account, how to create your PayPal account. And now, what if you want to uh, you want to turn on the profile status on your PayPal account? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal account. You can log in into your account on the apps or the website. After that, you can go to settings. You can select on settings. There is an option manage on your profile. You can just select on that. You can scroll down. There is an option profile status. The profile status is off. So when your profile status off, people won't find you by your PayPal username or link. You can still use your email or mobile number to get paid. So if you want to find by your username or get paid by your username, you can enable this feature, the profile status, like this. So now you have you have turn on the profile status on your PayPal account. Now you can get paid by your username on the PayPal. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on profile status on PayPal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.